guys, welcome back to Cooking and Kicking. Today we're going to be making chicken curry. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Make sure to tell us what you want us to do next. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. First, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Either ginger paste or regular cut up ginger. Like as you can see, I put in some ginger paste. If you choose to use ginger paste, just mix it up until it's all mixed in with the onion. Next, you need to chop up some garlic and then put it into the pan. Just mix it with the onions. Now we need a tablespoon of tomato paste. Again, mix it up. And as always, be very careful when you're using an open fire because you could burn yourself and you don't want that to happen. Now you need half a teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, and then a teaspoon of turmeric. Then you need some cayenne pepper, which is optional, but I'm going to put in some. Now mix it all up. Now you need half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. And mix that in. Now just put in some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. A bit of salt, which is optional, but I'm going to put some in. And also a bit of pepper, which is also optional, but I'm not going to put that. Now you need 1/4 of a cup of water. And just mix all of that in. Now cover the pot for about 10 minutes.